Hello, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Vauxhall Combo. This is a long wheelbase 6-doored van. Now this does come with air conditioning as well as parking sensors and a radar diagram on the screen as well. It does also come with 2 cloth-lined seats for the interior, 5-speed manual transmission, cruise control upon the steering wheel along with hands-free cooling and also voice assist as well. And I will just show you the load area in the back. As you can see, it is not only ply-lined and interior lit, but there are also cargo rings showing out any load you may want to carry as well. Now I will just show you the space from the rear as well. Now as you can see, there are no dents within the bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now if you would like to find out more about this Vauxhall Combo, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or head to our site in Padworth just outside of Reading to discover more about this vehicle.